Oh, here. Okay, I think I'm live now. Okay, good evening, everybody. Thank you. And today is Saturday, October 22, 9 o'clock p.m. and Los Angeles times. Okay, and I welcome you to my, I don't know how, kapilanan ni nga, what is this? Streaming, but anyway, I'm trying to attempt again. I think this is the third streaming that I have, and that all right. And still, I'm trying to learn. Okay, I don't know if I can still. I have a hard time again here. This error, YouTube is not receiving enough video to maintain streaming. As such, to maintain smooth streaming, as such, viewer will experience buffering. Oh my God! I don't know how to correct this, but I'll try. Okay. Anyway, Al Innocentes, thumbs up. Al, thank you so much for dropping by again. You're such a trusted friend, and you're always there when I needed you most. Okay, good evening, and I hope everything is fine on your side. Okay, right. I don't know if you can see me. Hopefully, you can see me. Okay. Hold on na. I'm still adjusting something. All right. Don't know. Let me see. All right. So, I don't know. Okay. All right. Oh my God. Error pa rin. Dahil hindi yata maganda yung my God. Bakit ganun? They are warning me na okay. I think I'll just take this off. I don't need you. You just close a dockable window. If you'd like to show it again, use the docks menu on the menu bar. Okay. I don't need that. I just need bakit ganito? Mahina daw ang aking error. Alright, let me see. Ang stream health. Oh, Phil Marañon. Good evening, host. Good evening, Phil. Okay. Nice to see you again. Bye. Yes. It says my stream status is poor. God. I don't know what's going on. But let me check my internet signal here at home. My speed test. Okay. Because I buy the best. Ang pinaka expensive na plan for my internet. Now let me see. Oh my God, it's so fast. Oh, gosh. I think ang problema is now my download is 221 megabits per second. And my upload that is the one I'm sending up to you guys, 91.2 megabits per second, which is super fast. Okay. So I don't know what is the problem. Kasi yes. Kasi on your side there, I think nag-buffering ako. But my download is 221. And 4 megabytes per second is already okay for streaming, online surfing. Not basta hindi lang gaming. Okay? And this is super fast already. So the problem is it's either my computer or ang kwan siguro ang OBS, my program. Anyway, let's see what will happen, okay? Baka mawala lang yan. Kasi they are warning me na ang dating ko diyan sa inyo ay nag-buffering ako. Which I think I'm okay. Gosh. Error. YouTube is not receiving enough video to maintain smooth streaming. Okay. And let me see. Still the same. So, on your side there, nag-buffering ako. Okay, but anyway, let's take care of that later. Okay. Okay. So what happened now? Oh, Mads Casa is with us. Good evening, Mads. How are you? I hope you're okay. And all the rest of your family is fine. Okay, good evening. Thank you for coming. Okay. Okay. So, naka 8 minutes na. I hope I can make 3 hours today. It's 9 o'clock, 10, 11, 12. Okay, probably by 12 midnight mag-stop na ako. Okay? So, I appreciate if you can give me company here. Okay. Because I trying to learn now paano magpaikot ng Ninja at magbigay ng mga saging. Okay? Okay. Teray Corsica, Tamsak host, Tamsak din, good evening. Thank you for coming. Okay. Thank you for a very reliable friend. All right. Hope you will not leave me. You will stay with me until the end. Okay. Noah's Travel. Oh, hello Noah. Okay, thank you for coming. Good evening. Okay. Because tonight, I want to learn how to gusto kong matuturing magbigay ng saging. Okay. Alright. Kailangan muna mag-jacket. Oh, I forgot the jacket. Okay. Sorry. Probably that's why hindi kita nakita dahil wala kang jacket. Paano ba magbigay ng jacket? Let's do this again. Bakit wala? Wala. Okay, hold on, ha? Okay, sorry. I'm so stupid. Okay. Okay, anyway. Sorry. So, that is how you gave jacket. Kaya pala. Okay. So, now, paano naman ngayon magpin? Magpin di sarapin. I don't know. I think I need to learn that too. But anyway, give me a second. Because okay. Oh, here is Mads Casa. Okay. Finally, you learn how to give jacket. Of course. Yeah, trial and error lang, Mads. Anyway, hold on to sandali lang. I'll be back. Let me give me a few minutes. Okay, I hope may bisita rin sa akin mamaya. Okay. What's going on here? Okay, Mads Casa. Finally, you learn how to give jacket. Ed Tamparong, musta bro? Joey Torero, tamsak sa lahat. And Jordan King, what's up? I'm fine. We're all fine here. Jordan? Okay, I'm back. Okay? Sorry about that. May gin-fix pa ko nga kwan sa kabila. So, hopefully. Oh, we have Joey Durwell, tamsak sa lahat. Ed Tamparong, musta bro? What's up? Okay. Sabi ni Jordan King. Tamsak, sabi ni Vic Olmogis. Okay. Hope everything is okay. Everybody is here. Thank you for giving me company. And hold on. Dahil what? Okay. Alright. So, one more minute, okay? Okay, I'm back. So, hold on. Because I think tonight, ngayon na gusto kong mag-aral kung paano magbigay ng saging, magsukli sa mga pupunta rito sa lugar ko. So, kung may maligaw man, okay. Ito, ang mga bahay na gusto kong puntahan nyo na mag-iwan ng bakas dahil babalikan kayo. ng 3 saging. Okay? So, yan ang gusto ko ngayon na matutunan kung paano magbigay ng saging dahil naka-ready na itong 6 kong mga utusan na magbibigay sa inyo ng kaligayahan. English yun, ha? English, Tagalog pala. Okay. So, yan. And, I like to learn that. Okay. So, just in case na merong gustong mapaligaw rito at gustong mangisda, I'm ready. Okay, I'm ready. Mag-isdaan tayo dahil gusto ko rin matutong apat siyam. So, I still miss one. I don't know. Ito, 8. May isa pa siguro. Baka yun. No. Ito. Hindi rin. So, just in case na may gustong magpalitan ng isda, I'm ready. Okay. Dahil andito lang, waiting lang kung sinong gustong pupunta sa inyo. Nawala na naman. Hindi maganda itong I don't like this kwan. Itong ngayon, excellent na ang streaming ko. I think I need to oh my God. Unreliable talaga itong wireless na mouse. Hindi talaga maasahan. So, I don't know. Nawala. Okay. Okay. Let me put the wire. Hindi masyadong wireless na mouse. Okay. So, let's see what happened. Okay, sandali lang ha. Inaayos ko lang ang mouse ko dahil see, I lost the signals ng wireless mouse. Hindi masahan. Anyway, sige lang dyan. Okay. Unreliable talaga ang wireless. You're right. You're correct. Okay. So, what else? Hindi nyo talaga makita eh. Sorry. Later on na lang yung wireless na yan. Okay. Oh. Bumalik na. Okay. Continue. Yun, nakakonect na. Alright. So, thank you. Nakabalik din. I don't know. Pwede bang kumanta-kanta rito habang naghihintay ako ng darating na kasama? Dahil, hold on ha, basahin ko muna mga news dito sa Amerika. Okay? Alright, malapit ng eleksyon dito, November 7, and I hope na manalo yung mga kandidato ko dahil alam mo ko ay mga conservative, so I belong to the Republican Party. Conservative ang outlook ko sa life. Ganito kasi yan sa politika rito eh. It's not that ang mga personality ang binoboto namin, kundi yung kung anong mga mo ang philosophy mo in life, kung liberal ka o demokrat ka. Kaya yun, kung conservative ka, Republican ka, katulad sa akin, dahil anti-abortion ako, at saka pro-gun, I believe in the Second Amendment right, kaya yun. So, hopefully, yun ang eleksyon, tingnan natin kung who will prevail on November November 17. Okay. So, mm, okay. Okay, Big Olmoges. Thank you. Big. Okay. So, naka 30 minutes na ako ah. So, 12 midnight. Today is na 9:35 na sa gabi. So, let me double check. Mm. Mm. Okay. Okay. So, I don't know. Hold on. What time is it there in the Philippines? In Manila is 12:38 p.m. O, tanghali. Okay, it's lunchtime. And I think it's already Sunday there. Okay. Okay, naga na, day off na ang mga kwan doon. Okay? So, in Riyadh is 7:38. Oh, kagigising lang ng mga kababayan natin sa Riyadh and Doha. Also in Kuwait. They have the same time zone. Okay. While sa Rome is about to magigising na rin sila. And that. Okay. Tapos, let me see what's going on here sa YouTube ngayon. Okay, let me see. Okay. Okay, Melinda is on the line. Okay. And Simply GTB. Oh, you're there, huh? And watching. Okay. I don't know how to go to drop by to your place. Okay. So, I had now 41 minutes. Thank you. Let's open this one. Add more company. Okay. 9 views gyapon. Okay, Vic Olmoges, Ronnie Duterte. Okay, Jed King. Hello, everybody. Hello, Jed. Okay. Welcome. Thank you for dropping by. And all right. Thank you. So, okay. So, I already have 46 minutes. Okay, and counting. Thank you so much for dropping by. All right. Okay. All right. Okay. So, okay. Mhm. So, right. Wait. Oh, okay. Hmm. Hmm.
If tomorrow all the things were gone I'd worked for all my life, and I had to start again with just my children and my wife. Love me with
All of my heart,
that's
all
all
I
I
want.
love.
Love me with all of your
With
heart.
all of your heart,
That's all I
all I
am.
know.
Yes, promise me
that
that
you'll
you'll
give
leave
me.
me.
Amazing grace, how sweet the sound.
Love me with all of your heart. That's all I want, love. Love me with all of your heart, or not at all. Just promise me this, that you'll give me all your kisses every winter, every summer, every fall. When we are far apart, or when you're near me, love me with all of your heart, as I love you. Don't give me your love for a moment or an hour. Love me always as you love me from the start, with every beat of your heart. Just promise me this, that you'll give me all your kisses every winter, every summer, every fall. When we are far apart, or when you're near me, love me with all of your heart, as I love you. Don't give me your love for a moment or an hour. Love me always as you love me from the start, with every beat of your heart. Kanta-kanta na lang ta karaoke. Okay? Antod maka excuse me. Wala pa gani gali ko ka 1 hour. I need to make 2 hours. do I begin to tell the story of how great a love can be? The sweet love story that is older than the sea. The simple truth about the love she brings to me. Where do I start? With her first hello, she gave a meaning to this empty world of mine. There'd never be another love, another time. She came into my life and made a living fine. She fills my heart. She fills my heart with very special things, with angel songs, with wild imaginings. She fills my soul with so much love that anywhere I go, I'm never lonely with her alone. Who could be lonely? I reach for her hand. It's always there. How long does it last? Can love be measured by the hours in a day? I have no answers now, but this much I can say. I know I need her till the stars all burn away, and she'll be there. How long does it last? Can love be measured by the hours in a day? I have no answers now, but this much I can say. I know I need her till the stars all burn away, and she'll be there. I remember this song. I think it was in elementary school or in first year high school. I think this is a love story. The theme song from the movie Love Story, if I'm not mistaken. It's a very, very nice song. Yeah. And it was hot during the time. Oh, this is the all-time favorite. Marami nang namatay dito sa kantang ito, sa Bear House. Okay? Dami na saksak dito na nagrambulan. This is a very notorious song. And now the end is near, and so I face the final curtain. My friends, I'll say it clear. I'll state my case, of which I'm certain. My friend, I'll live a life that's full. I travel each and every highway. Much more than this, I did it my way. Regrets, I had a few, but then again, too few to mention. I did what I had to do, and saw it through without exemption. I planned each chartered course, each careful step along the byway. Much more than this, I did it my way. Yes, there were times I'm sure you knew when I beat up more than I could chew. But through it all, when there was doubt, I ate it up and spit it out. I faced it all and I stood tall and did it my way. Dito na nagliparan yung bote ng beer. I laughed and cried. I had my fill, my share of losing. And now, as tears subside, I find it all so amusing to think I did all that, and may I say, not in a shy way. Oh no, not me. I did it my way. For what is a man? What has he got? If not himself, then he has not to say the things he truly feels, and not the words of one who kneels. The record shows I took the blows and did it my way. Dito na, tatlo nang natumba rito. Dito sa kwan ito. Puntong ito. Kwan itong kanta na ito eh. Magulo eh. Pag hindi matapos yung kanta ito, nagrarambulan na sa beer house eh. Kaya and did it my way. Oy, discarding solo ma'am, Tamsak host. Mega loud shout out. Discarding solo. Yes, thank you for dropping by. I don't know if my singing is the one who wake you up to come to my house. I don't know. I'm just kidding. Ay, wala akong magawa eh. Wala naman akong makausap. So, nagpakanta-kanta na lang ako. But I like this 60s song. Panahon namin ito eh. Itong mga music namin noon eh. Love me with all of your heart. That's all I want, love. Love me with all of your heart, or not at all. Just promise me this, that you'll give me all your kisses every winter, every summer, every fall. When we are far apart, or when you're near me, love me with all of your heart as I love you. Don't give me your love for a moment or an hour. Love me always as you love me from the start. Love of your... Oh, my favorite, Engelbert Humperdinck. I love you. Just promise me this, that you'll give me all your kisses every winter, every summer, every fall. When we are far apart, or when you're near me, love me with all of your heart as I love you. Don't give me your love for a moment or an hour. Love me always as you love me from the start, with every beat of your heart. Okay, that was Engelbert Humperdinck. Okay. Lonely table just for one, and a bright and crowded room, while the music has begun. I drink to memories and the gloom. Do the music still the same? It has a bittersweet refrain. So play the song the way it used to be, before she left and changed it all to sadness. And maybe if she's passing by the window, she will hear a love song and a melody. And even the words are not so tender, she will always remember the way it used to be. Friends stop by and say hello, and I laugh and hide the pain. It's quite easy till they go. Then the song begins again. So play the song the way it used to be, before she left and changed it all to sadness. And maybe if she's passing by the window, she will hear a love song and a melody. And even the words are not so tender, she will always remember the way it used to be. Oh, where are this song now? I never heard this song anymore. The all-time favorite. My kind of song, my kind of music. Okay. And I can remember when we walked together, sharing a love I thought would last forever. Moonlight to show the way so we can follow. Waiting inside her eyes was my tomorrow. Then something changed her mind. Her kisses told me I had no loving arms to hold me. Every day I wake up, then I start to break up. Lonely is the man without love. Every day I start out, then I cried my heart out. Lonely is the man without love. Every day I wake up, then I start to break up, knowing it's a cloudy above. Every day I start out, then I cry my heart out. Lonely is the man without love. I cannot face this world that's falling down on me. So if you say my girl, please send her home to me. Tell her about my heart that's slowly dying. Say I can stop myself from crying. Every time I wake up, then I start to break up. Lonely is the man without love. Every day I start out, then I cry my heart out. Lonely is the man without love. Every day I wake up, then I start to break up, knowing that it's cloudy above. Every day I start out, then I cry my heart out. Lonely is the man without love. Man without love. I start out, and I cry. Wala na si discarding solo, ma'am. Okay, I know. Masyadong disintonado, kaya nobody will. Ganun na naman ito. Tapos itong My Way. I hate this song. Oh, my love, my darling, I'm hungered for your touch. A long, lonely night, and time goes by so slowly, and time can do so much. Are you still mine? I need Godspeed your love to me. Low, lonely rivers flow to the sea, to the sea, to the open arms of the sea. Lonely river high, wait for me, wait for me. I'll be coming home, wait for me. Oh, my love, my darling, I'm hangered for your touch. A long, lonely time, and time goes by so slowly, and time can do so much.
I'm a Vegas hotel. I know you're thinking, it's cool. I don't want anything long term either. Just a few nights of fun. I'm looking for someone who will let loose, dress up a little, see a show, order the steak and the lobster. Some people say I'm excessive, but who cares? I just want to enjoy some late nights and some very late checkouts. Think you can keep up?
If you're 55 and up, T-Mobile has plans built just for you. Like 2 lines of unlimited for just $27.50 a line. Whether you need a single line or lines for family members, you'll get great value on America's largest 5G network, only at T-Mobile.
Okay, nice more. Ed Tamparong, Ronnie Duterte, naka-slang shot ka na host. Marco Season, nandito yun sa LA. Na-meet namin dyan kumanta nagkainoma namin. Marco Season. Galing kumanta ito When times get rough and your dreams just fall apart, and sometimes you feel that can't go on. Galing ito si Marco kumanta Be strong, hold on, for my love will keep you warm through the coldest night, through the rain, through the storm. When friends turn their back on you and you're so helpless, you don't know what to do. I'll be on your side to comfort you. My love will see you through. Galing ito si Marco Sison eh. I think we have a picture there in my cellphone. At saka mabait na magaling makisama ito si Marco. Tapos niyang nag-concert doon sa bar na ininuman namin. At tapos nakipag-kuwan sa amin. I don't know if pabalik-balik kasi ito eh. Sila noon ni Rico Puno when he was still alive. Tapos yun. Sino pang mga pumupunta rito? Marami sila. Mga dating mga magagaling na singer sa atin. When the road seems so long and endless, and all you see is nothing but darkness, don't give up, just walk on, have faith in your heart, for my love will see you through. Galing nito talaga, Marco Sison. My love will see you through. When you reach for the stars, when you cross the deepest sea, when you climb the highest hill, my love will always be with you. And everything you do, and every step you make, and every road you take, don't be afraid to follow your dream, for my love will see you through. Galing eh. Palagay ko si Marco Sison lang ang maka-interpret ng kantang ito eh. Hindi ko na narinig yung mga iba eh. Na kumanta nito eh.
Well, what if I told you that you can get home internet from Verizon?
Verizon does home internet?
Verizon does
Siya
home
lang
internet.
bagay sa
It's only
kantang ito eh.
$25 a month.
This was made for him alone. Okay. Naka 127 ako. I am sailing home again, across the sea. I am sailing. Hindi makuha yan. Mabigat yan. Rod Stewart. Hanap lang tayo ng pang beer house na kanta. Okay. Para pang yung mga ano lang. Legit. Oh, my heart won't believe that you have left me. I keep telling myself that it's not true. I can't get over anything. You want my love, but I can't get myself over you. Don't forget to remember me and the love that used to be. I still remember you. I love you. In my heart. Mabigat na kanta yan ng Bee Gees. Ano mabibigat yan? Lady, I'm your knight and I'm shining armor and I love you. You have made what I am and I'm yours. My love, there are so many ways I want to say I love you. Let me hold you in my arms forevermore. You have gone and made me such a fool. I'm so lost in your love. And oh, we belong together. Won't you believe in my song? Lady, for so many years I thought I'd never find you. You have come into my life and made me whole. Forever, let me wake to see each and every morning. Let me hear you whisper softly in my ear. Matataas ito makanta ni Kenny Rogers eh.
Are you guys twins? No. Yes. We're at the snake. Please release me, let me go, for I don't love you anymore. To waste
our lives would be a sin. Release me and let me love again. I have found a new love, dear, and I will always want him near. Her lips are warm while yours are cold. Release me, my darling, let me go. Please release me, let me go. For I don't love you anymore. To waste my life would be a sin. So release me and let me love again. Please release me, can't you see? You'd be a fool to cling to me. To live a lie would bring us sin. So release me and let me love again. Stay beside me, stay beside me. Say you'll never leave me. How I love you, how I love you, how I need you, please believe me. In your arms I found my heaven, and in your lips I found your soul. Il mondo, your love is all I need in my world. Let tender kisses bleed in my world. How could I ever live without you? Il mondo. They say you found somebody new, but that won't stop my loving you. I just can't let you walk away. Forget the love I had for you. Guess I could find somebody too. But I don't want no one but you. How could you live without regret? Am I that easy to forget? Before you leave, be sure you find you want his love so much more than mine. 'Cause I'll just say we're never met. I'm not easy to forget.
Amazing grace, how sweet the sound.
You are my destiny. You are what you are to me. You are my happiness. That's what you are. You have my sweat caress. You share my loneliness. You are my dream come true. That's what you are. Johnny was a girl who lived next door. I known her, I guess, 10 years or more. Johnny wrote me a note one day. And this is what she had to say. Jimmy, please say you'll wait for me. I'll grow up, someday you'll see. Saving all my kisses just for you. Signed with love, forever true. Slowly I read her note once more. I went over to the house next door. Her teardrops feel like rain that day. When I told Johnny what I had to say. Johnny, Johnny, please don't cry. You'll forget me by and by. You're just 15, I'm 22. And Johnny, I just can't wait for you. Soon I left our little hometown, got me a job and tried to settle down. But these words keep haunting my memory, the words that Johnny said to me. Jimmy, please say you'll wait for me. I'll grow up, someday you'll see. Saving all my kisses just for you. Signed with love, forever true. I packed my clothes and I caught a plane. Had to tell Johnny, I had to explain how my heart was filled with her memory, and asked my Johnny if she'd marry me. I ran all the way to the house next door. Things weren't like they were before. My teardrops feel like rain that day. When I heard what Johnny had to say. Jimmy, Jimmy, please don't cry. You'll forget me by and by. It's been 5 years since you've been gone. Jimmy, I married your best friend John.
Looking for royalty-free music? Discover Epidemic Sound. Get the safest music subscription.
Johanan, Tamsak host here. Oh, welcome Joanna Hana. Oh, okay. Welcome to my naga-practice lang. Wala na. Okay. Kasi walang magawa. Wala namang mga bisita. So, I figure out kakanta-kanta na lang just like you. Okay, practice para someday baka mag-duet tayo. Okay? So, if you are still there, I hope pagtiyagaan mo. Okay? But if you want to, you can join me and sing along. Okay? Okay, let me... Wala magawa. I don't know if this is allowed. It is not a copyright infringement. Welcome lang, Joanna. I've been alone with you inside my mind. And in my dreams I kiss your lips 1,000 times. I sometimes see you pass outside my door. Hello, is it me you're looking for? I can see it in your eyes, I can see it in your smile. You're all I ever wanted, and my arms are open wide. 'Cause you know just what to say, and you know just what to do. And I want to tell you so much, I love you. I long to see the sunlight in your hair and tell you time and time again how much I care. Sometimes I feel my heart will overflow. Hello, I just got to let you know, 'cause I wonder where you are, and I wonder what you do. Are you somewhere feeling lonely, or is someone loving you? Tell me how to win your heart, for I haven't got a clue. But let me start by saying I love you.
Sensodyne Sensitivity and Gum is a dual-action toothpaste with a low abrasion formula. It builds a protective layer over sensitive areas and targets and removes plaque. Dual action, one specialist toothpaste.
Ay, nako. My love, there's only you in my life, the only thing that's bright. My first love. Do it ito eh. Okay. Kita tayo ng mga para lang pang beer house na nakanta. Ito, pang beer house ito eh. High school ako nito eh. I remember, I think I was second year high school. Or first year, with my first crush. Oh, where is she now? My first crush in high school. I think, yeah, second year high school. When you're weary, feeling small, when tears are in your eyes, I will dry them all. I'm on your side. Oh, when times get rough and friends just can't be found, like a bridge over troubled water, I will lay me down like a bridge over troubled water. I will lay me down. when you're down and out, when you're on the street, when evening falls so hard, I will comfort you. I'll take your part. Oh, when darkness comes and pain is all around, like a bridge over troubled water, I will lay me down like a bridge over troubled water. Sail on, silver girl, sail on by. Your time has come to shine. All your dreams are on their way. See how they shine. Oh, if you need a friend, I'm sitting right behind, like a bridge over troubled water. I will lay me down. Okay, almost 2 hours now. 1 more hour. Time here in LA is 10:58, almost 11 o'clock in the evening. And I have 1 more hour. Okay? Alright. So 1 more hour of...
Remember the Donovan's barbecue?
That grill was a monster.
I think they made enough for the whole town.
Next time, let's invite the Donovans too.
When I was small and Christmas trees were tall, we used to laugh while others used to play. Don't ask me why, but time has passed us by. Someone else moving from far away. Now we are tall and Christmas trees are small, and you don't ask the time of day. But you and I, our love will never die. But guess we'll cry come 1st of May. The apple tree that grew for you and me, I watched the apples falling one by one. And I recall the moment I demo, the day I kissed your cheek and you were mine. Now we are tall and Christmas trees are small, and you don't ask the time of day. But you and I, our love will never die. But guess we'll cry come 1st of May. When I was small and Christmas trees were too. Do 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 do. Don't ask me why, but time just passes by. Someone else moved in from afar. Okay.
With a Marcus High Yield online savings account, you could earn more interest on your deposit than with a traditional savings account.
I started a joke which started the whole world crying. But I didn't see that the joke was on me. Oh no. I started to cry, which started the whole world laughing. Oh, if I only seen that the joke was on me. I look at the skies, running my hands over my eyes, and I fell out of bed, hurting my head from things that I said, till I finally died, which started the whole world living. Oh, if I only seen that the joke was on me. I look at the skies, running my hands over my eyes, and I feel out of bed, hurting my head from things that I said, till I finally died, which started the whole world living. Oh, if I only seen, oh yeah, that the joke was on me. Oh no, that the joke was on me. Oh.
Tegan and Sarah doesn't even rhyme. Your parents blew it.
Turn me loose from your hands. Let me fly high to distant lands, over green fields, trees and mountains, flowers and forest fountains. Home along the lanes of the skyway, for this dark and lonely room projects a shadow, cast and gloom, and my eyes are mirrors of the world outside, thinking of the ways that the wind can turn the tide, and the shadows turn from purple into gray, for just this skyline pigeon dreaming of the open, waiting for the day that he can spread his wings and fly away again. Fly away, skyline pigeon, fly towards the dream you left so very far behind. Fly away, skyline pigeon, fly towards the dreams you left so very far behind. To the smell of the new mown hay,
Introducing Wells Fargo Premier. Banking, lending, and investing designed around you.
why do birds suddenly appear every time you are near? Just like me, they long to be close to you. Why do stars fall down from the sky every time you walk by? Just like me, they long to be close to you. On the day that you were born, the angels got together and decided to create a dream come true. So they sprinkle moon dust in your hair of gold, and starlight in your eyes of blue. That is why all the girls in town follow you all around. Just like me, they long to be close to you. On the day that you were born, the angels got together and decided to create a dream come true. So they sprinkled moon dust in your hair of gold and starlight in your eyes of blue. That is why all the girls in town follow you all around. Just like me, they long to be close to you. Just like me, they long to be close to you. Wow, close to you. Wow, close to you. Ah, close to you.
My job is to give you what you need to vote in this election. The LA County Registrar Recorder is your official source for factual and unbiased information on elections. Look for our seal when reading any information about voting. Visit the site today and help us get every vote in.
Kung tayo'y matanda na, sana'y di tayo magbago. Kailanman, nasan may ito ang pangarap ko. Makuha mo pa kayang ako'y hagkan at yakapin. Oh, hanggang pagtanda natin. Nagtatanong lang sa'yo, ako pa kaya'y ibigin mo? Kung maputi na ang buhok ko. Pagdating ng araw, ang iyong buhok ay puti na rin. Sabay tayong mangangarap ng nakaraan sa atin. Ang nakalipas ay ibabalik natin. Oh, ipapaalala ko sa'yo ang aking pangako na ang pag-ibig ko'y laging sa'yo. Kahit maputi na ang buhok ko. Ang nakalipas ay ibabalik natin. Ipapaalala ko sa'yo ang aking pangako na ang pag-ibig ko'y laging sa'yo. Kahit maputi na ang buhok ko. Kahit maputi na ang buhok ko.
For pain to the max, try BC Max and great tasting lemonade.
There's a light, a certain kind of light that never shone on me. I want my life to be to live with you, to live with you. There's a way. Everybody says to do each and every little thing. But what does it bring if I hadn't got you? Hadn't got you, baby. You don't know what it's like. Baby, you don't know what it's like to love somebody, the way I love you. In my brain, I see your face again. I know my frame of mind. You hadn't got to be so blind. And I'm blind. So very blind. I'm a man. Can't you see what I am? I live and I breathe for you. But what good does it do if I ain't got you? I ain't got you, baby. You don't know what it's like, baby. You don't know what it's like to love somebody, to love somebody the way I love you. You don't know what it's like, baby. You don't know what it's like to love somebody, to love somebody. I know you don't know what it's like, baby. You don't know what it's like to love somebody, to love somebody.
It doesn't have to be a dream. With L certified.
Okay.
By Lexus. Exclusively at your Lexus dealer.
30 minutes na lang. sheltered me from harm. Keep me warm, keep me warm. You gave my life to me, set me free, set me free. The finest years I ever knew were all the years I had with you. I would give anything I own, give up my life, my heart, my home. I would give everything I own just to have you back again. You taught me how to love what it's all, what it's all. You never said too much, but still you showed the way. And I know from watching you, nobody else could ever know the part of me that can't let go. I would give anything I own, give up my life, my heart, my home. I would give everything I own just to have you back again. Is there someone you knew, you're loving them so, but taking them all for granted? You may lose them one day, someone takes them away, and they don't hear the words you long to say. I would give anything I own, give up my life, my heart, my home. I would give everything I own just to have you back again. Just to touch you once again. You are the one who makes me happy when everything else turns to gray. Yours is the voice that wakes my mornings and sends me out into the day. You are the crowd that sits quiet, listening to me and all the mad sense that I make. You are one of the few things worth remembering. And since it's all true, how could anyone mean more to me than you? Sorry if sometimes I look past you. There's no one behind your eyes. Inside my head, wheels are turning. Hey, sometimes I'm not so wise. You are my heart and my soul, my inspiration, just like the old love song goes. You are one of the few things worth remembering. And since it's all true, how could anyone mean more to me than you?
Purina One has the inside story on your pet's health. It starts inside the gut with Purina One with microbiome balance, promoting gut health and immune support. Learn more at purina1.com/gut.
Tingin sa'yo isang putik, larawan mo'y nilalait. Magdalena, ikaw ay di maintindihan. Ika'y isang kapuspalad, bigo ka pa sa pag-ibig. Hindi ka nag-aral pagkat walang pera. Kaya ika'y namasukan. Overnights in dinner and wine, Saturday girls, I was never in love. Never had the time, and my hustle so much.
Ooh, fancy.
Babugang ko'y sampoy, ang pananghalian ko ay laging kamuting kahoy. And nice guys, it was smile, an everlasting smile. A smile can bring you near to me. Don't ever let me find you gone, 'cause that would bring me a tear to me. This world has lost its glory. Let's start a brand new story now, my love. Right now, there'll be no other time, and I can show you how, my love. Talk an everlasting words and dedicate them all to me. And I will give you all my life. I'm here if you should call to me. You think that I don't ever mean a single word I say. It's only words, and words are all I have to take your heart away. La 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 la. Mm-mm-mm-mm. think that I don't even mean a single word I say? It's only words, and words are all I have to take your heart away. It's only words, and words are all I have to take your heart away. It's only words, and words are all I have to take your heart away.
Save more with Metro by T-Mobile. Get one line of unlimited 5G for just $40. Period. That's the lowest price in prepaid.
Movies always make me cry. He said he had to work, so I went to the show alone. They turned down the lights and turned the projector on. And just as the news of the world started to begin, I saw my darling and my best friend walk in. Though I was sitting there, they didn't see me. And so they sat right down in front of me. And when he kissed her lips, I almost died. And in the middle of the color cartoon, I started to cry. Oh, sad movies always make me cry. Oh, sad movies always make me cry. And so I get up and slowly walk on home. And Mama saw the tears and said, "What's wrong?" And so to keep from telling her a lie, I just said, sad movies make me cry. Oh, sad movies always make me cry. Oh, sad movies always make me cry. And so I get up and slowly walk on home. And Mama saw the tears and said, "What's wrong?" And so to keep from telling her a lie, I just said, sad movies make me cry. Oh, sad movies. I realize the way your eyes deceive me, with tender looks that I mistook for love. So take away the flowers that you gave me, and send the kindness that remind me of paper roses, paper roses. Oh, how real those roses seem to be. But they're only imitation, like your imitation love for me. Your pretty lips look warm and so appealing. They seem to have the sweetness of a rose. But when you give a kiss, there's no feeling. It's just a stiff and artificial rose. Paper roses, paper roses. This is not for me, but only imitation, like your imitation love for me. I thought that you would be a perfect lover. You seem so full of sweetness at the start. But like a big red rose that made of paper, there isn't any sweetness in your heart. Paper roses, paper roses. Oh, how real those roses seem to be. But they're only imitation, like your imitation love for me. Okay, so probably two more song. Bear with me. Bear with me, okay? Magtiis na lang, pagtiyagaan nyo na lang ako. Two more song and I'll make it 3 hours. I hope it will help with the watch hours of Ilongga. It's very hard to earn at watch hour. Okay, two more song probably. There's a kind of hush all over the world tonight. All over the world you can hear the sound of lovers in love. Know what I mean? Just the two of us and nobody else in sight. There's nobody else and I'm feeling good just holding you tight. So listen very carefully. Get closer now and you will see what I mean. It isn't a dream. The only sound that you will hear is when I whisper in your ear, I love you forever and ever. There's a kind of hush all over the world tonight. All over the world, people just like us are falling in love. So listen very carefully. Get closer now and you will see what I mean. It isn't a dream. The only sound that you will hear is when I whisper in your ear, I love you forever and ever. There's a kind of hush all over the world tonight. All over the world you can hear your sound of lovers in love.
because their local agent is a small business owner too.
Talking
To myself. No. Lonely table just for one, and a bright and crowded room. While the music has begun, I thank the memories and the gloom. To the music still the same, it has a bittersweet refrain. So play the song the way it used to be, before she left and changed it all to sadness. And maybe if she's passing by the window, she will hear a love song and a melody. And even if the words are not so tender, she will always remember the way it used to be. Friends stop by and say hello, and I laugh and hide the pain. It's quite easy till they go. Then the song begins again. So play the song the way it used to be, before she left and changed it all to sadness. And maybe if she's passing by the window, she will hear a love song and a melody. And even the words are not so tender, she will always remember the way it used to be. Tell me when you will be mine. Tell me cuando we can share a love divine. Please don't let me wait again. When will you say yes to me? Tell me cuando, cuando, cuando. You mean happiness to me. Oh my love, please tell me when. Every moment's a day. Every day seems a lifetime. Let me show you the way to a joy beyond compare. I can't wait a moment more. Tell me cuando, cuando, cuando. Say it's me that you adore. And then, darling, tell me when. Morning Star Vlog, Tamsak host, Tamsak din. Ay, good morning. Oh yeah, it's good morning here in LA. It's 12 midnight now. And thank you for dropping by. And let me show you the way to a joy beyond compare. I can't wait a moment more. Tell me cuando, cuando, cuando. Say it's me that you adore. And then, darling, tell me when. Oh, my darling, tell me when.
With some health insurance companies, you get ads with actors doing yoga. A Humana Medicare Advantage plan can give you $500 or more each year to cover your dental bills. Humana.
Yeah, music brings people together, and I think the cool part about music is that it's social, connecting with people and making sure that when you're connecting over the music, that is quality. Party mode really brings these together. You know, everyone can enjoy the music in a broader sense,
Okay.
you know?
Naka 3 hours na rin ako. Thank you. I'm all done already. I'm just trying to wrap this up. Love me with all of your heart. That's all I want. Love me with all of your heart, or not at all. Just promise me this, that you'll give me all your kisses. Every winter, every summer, every fall. When we are far apart, or when you're near me. Mayroon pa favorite song. Okay.
Ask me how I knew.
Wala na.
Amazing grace, how sweet the sound. Amazing grace, how sweet the sound.
Okay, I think dito na tayo mag-sign off. Alright, good morning na everybody. Okay, so I able to make made 3 hours. Okay, time to sign up. Thank you so much. Thank you so much sa mga nag-ano, okay? Thank you. Tomorrow again, okay? Bye-bye.